Cabanyo, Adawa can't be quiver nano, Adawa the Santa would be me at Lanale. Cabaco, Cabamic.
I will say, and then Babe Boa Bacosen be at the far a year choir. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah a faso at the handle a year no oppositions, and I said no opponents. That was immediately after independence. That was from 1957 to 1966. A year in 1956, before Sir Umberto Aba determined which party leads the country to independence. Now opposition parties no endorse bocho. Opposition parties no, some of them are on sectional basis. Sectional and say omo national parties. Omo parties they want to win a national agenda by omudino any like some characteristics of them, especially omudino and suggest to say omo national parties. For instance, here were Muslim Association Party usha acquired sesania Muslims and for one so one yet Muslim they are somehow some way somehow no one count if it's a din kwa let me you free man I said din kwa I suggest to say it belongs to a section which is a religious party, but they were also contesting with CPP to lead Ghana to independence. I don't know how, but it is what it is. And yawo Ando Youth Congress. Ando Youth is a party or something. And also so na yawo. Ando means it's a tribe in Ghana. So omono as a sectional, also acquire sectional as a tribe no kwana e belong to. So nka omo to me win ya lead Ghana into your friends into independence ya. Could you imagine how it would have been? And we have Togoland Youth Congress. Almost no more. Togoland, Nancha says, a win free Volta, now on count. And your sons were Northern People's Party. Northern People's Party, no Nancha says, a win free North for our own count. And that is what it means. But Omuna, our parties way you now, Makakai, no Muna epe independence. Like, no person lead Ghana into independence, and I said that them Gold Coast. No person lead Gold Coast into independence. That was in 1956. Now contested a year elections. Contested elections. We and a year Dr. Kwame Nkrumah I realized said no, the oppositions were even too much. It's not about some being on sectional basis. Nay, too much. Like people were trying to sabotage him, to intimidate him, and all of that, plotting against him, and a whole lot of issues. So he devised ways and means of handling all these people. He ended up enacting 4 laws. He enacted 4 laws that dealt with all of them, one after the other. And I'm going to take you through all the 4 laws that Kwame Nkrumah used to deal with all these oppositions. Now, number 1. He implemented in 1956, immediately after independence. In 1956, Kwame Nkrumah enacted a law that is called the Deportation Act. A Deportation Act where actually says we obi a wo Ghana ha wo plot against a government na a won free Ghana e was say you free Ghana, like so we obi a like we are foreigner. I'm fan say we are foreigner, expatriate firm, and I say any form of foreigner. We Ghana, but still we person we do eco politics mu as against CPP, and I say Kwame Nkrumah. I will say you free Ghana, ma wo back to your hometown. Nti na your friends and business gurus be Kumasi omo free Ghana, omo Nigerians. Bakun edin di Alhaji Amadu Baba, ena bakun edin di Alhaji Laleme ne Amadu Baba. Omo nyina na omo free Nigeria, ena omo betena Kumasi business. Nti omo business no ona omo was kabasa, nti omo pese omo use sasika no edi penetrate into opposition, edi yi Kwame Nkrumah free ho na say they were plotting against Kwame Nkrumah. In the Kwame Nkrumah di kan nya hint no say sa gurus, business gurus no plot against him. or implemented sa act way against them too. So or implemented act no tie act no din kra e kire say he is implementing it against some expatriate firms or some foreigners in Ghana who are plotting against the CPP government. Indeed, up to act nidi and answer law nidi say deportation act. Deportation means so when we are Ghana near, how do we deport you? You see that? So deportation act not just a foreigners and or the Indeed, or immediately or implemented deportation act na no target. They say Amadou Baba any Alhaji Lalemi was say we you omo free Ghana 1957 or implemented a year parliament pass a bill na pa ena or the year Amadou Baba any Alhaji Lalemi free Ghana deporting he deported them back to Nigeria. Sana that was the first law that he implemented immediately after independence to deal with opposition. Act number 2, Avoidance of Discrimination Act. Avoidance of Discrimination Act no say wo form a party to say na na me kire na wo form a party on sectional basis enkire national agenda and answer enkire say party no national party oh massa was say you free. So he passed Avoidance of Discrimination and men discriminate with the name of your party or whatever. So he implemented an answer or enacted a law Avoidance of Discrimination Act and or the deal with an answer or the Muslim Association Party and also or the Yomu Floor and Ando Youth Congress and also or the Yomu Floor Bebre a parties opposition parties na any national parties are sectional names no where you this was the second. Number 3 or implemented a Emergency Powers Act. Emergency Powers Act no at the powers at the a year or no Dr. Kwame Nkrumah announced the president should have the power to declare state of emergency anytime he sends or he gather intelligence that there is a threat on the national security. Yes, indeed, or sense anything that was more or less like a threat to national security, he declared a state of emergency and look for such people. So this state of emergency was also used to threaten or to sabotage or to intimidate the opposition so that they don't take any action. If you attempt any coup or if you attempt any violence and they get you, in declaration of he will declare state of emergency against you. But for a year in 1958 or implemented Preventive Detention Act. Preventive Detention Act way actually says we will be plotting against a year the CPP government and answer Dr. Kwame Nkrumah or bet me I use this act way a year Preventive Detention Act way I detain you for 5 good years. 5 good years we a prejudicial and yado be fat mra kwan so and answer be say oh yeah fan trial there is nothing like that. The moment Dr. Kwame Nkrumah declared that Preventive Detention Act adiwa and one say yado ekwakosi a prison na ya lock wo for 5 good years. After 5 years no afi na wo kwako face the jury and as over face the law. Then after facing the law, if the law determines that you should go back to prison, then you have to be detained again. Or if the law determines that then you can go home, then fine, fair enough. But initially no trial, nothing. There is nothing like say a baby sour no masem. And one say Preventive Detention Act no actual until them fiase for is it 5 good years and sana judicial trials and those things can go on. So prejudicial law and our person sana our today Preventive Detention Act. I would say apart from a year 4 laws where Kwame Nkrumah implemented they are dealing with opposition no. Still or realize say some chiefs and answer nananomni bi wo ha or more support or more anti CPP chiefs inti or the studio ebimu or declare ebimu seats vacant. Yes, say when him say president was our power no or declare ebimu seats vacant. Said either we will replace or whatever, but for their seats were vacant. They were not recognized by government anymore. He asked them to vacate their seat and leave it vacant. Some of them that he suspected they were anti-CPP chiefs. And also Osansu who say Asante region ne be bona halfo like forming alliance be him for no forming alliance be de person plot against Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Nti eba no sa na onya hint no entem no o chair omumu Asante region na bona halfo o chair omumu regional house of chiefs no na omu nyina ehia ebom by eba no sa no o chair two regions we mu na ofra ha bona halfo efra ha ya fancy Asante region. Nti o sa wie na was separate regional house of chiefs no Kumasi for omo Asante region omo ehia as Asante regional house of chiefs na yawo bona hafo ya fancy house of regional house of chiefs sana oye omo enya before then no na Asante region no bona hafo house of chiefs no omo hia bom by ohun say omo plot against him nti or separate omo with this strategy and all this toolie ebimu declare almost vacant. These are some of the strategies that Dr. Kwame Nkrumah used to sabotage or to handle and deal with his oppositions when he was in office in between the years 1957 and 1966. Or to me, you see a year back on a preventive detention act or the arrestee or the detainee some major opponents like JB Dankwa per se. JB Dankwa's law way preventive detention act way and all the nyam and ordinary call prison to detain him a hot no 1965 and oko prison. When strategies are Dr. Kwame Nkrumah educatedly no opposition. Menda wasasa watu mi abejoin so we new please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that any new video I will drop you'll be the first person to be notified. If you are not new and you are a returning member, please just like, comment and share this video for others to also learn just as you are learning right now. Thank you so much for joining.
You are for Jona Wheeler. So here's what the car you bring to Fuma Wakara, feeling well. What else say I've got on a